Hi everyone, today in front of me is fake Samsung and let me share with you how to force restart or how to soft reset your device. So if you've got the situation that the screen did not respond to any touches or swiping and so on, then you can force restart it and probably your device will get back to its normal state. So in order to do that, all you have to do is simply hold the power button, which is right here, with the volume up button together and wait until you will see the black screen. So let me do it. Let me press the volume up button and power button together. Let's ignore this volume settings and hold it. And as you can see right now, the screen is black. So we can release the buttons and wait. And here we've got the welcoming screen, so after that your device will be successfully restarted, and as I said, it will probably get back to its normal state. So actually this is it. This is how to force restart or how to soft reset your fake Samsung. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.